Ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all and I welcome you to yet another video of Jaguar FX market focused. So on today's video, I'm going to be simply analyzing for you guys GBP USD, DXY, XAU USD, as well as USD JPY. So those are the pairs I'm gonna be giving you guys, but you know, I always give additional pairs when I'm analyzing. So let's just see how the analysis goes. I might give you guys extra analysis on different pairs. I haven't been uploading because I've been just so occupied, but I'm back again now. I think I'm gonna be more active nowadays with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do enjoy the content on this YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that you can get to be notified on any other uploads that we put on this channel. So without wasting any further time, I'm gonna start with the first thing, which is the DXY. Then I'm gonna go to GBP USD. So let's start with the DXY for now so that we get to understand how strong is the dollar. As you guys would notice most of the times that I'm always trading the USD based pairs. The reason why I do that is because I know that they are very much volatile, and the dollar is used to trade almost anywhere in the world. Wherever you can go having dollars in your hands, it's going to be much more easier for you to trade with another country. So that's the reason why I'm always I'm always interested in any pair that has the USD. It can be either a base currency or a code currency, so I'm always interested. That's why. And also we also are lucky to have the DXY, where it's much more easier for us to see whether the dollar is stronger at that time and moment or it's not. Don't forget that this week we're gonna be having NFP, so it's very much important to take a look as to what's happening on the dollar before the NFP starts. So right now I'm seeing that the dollar index, that the diagonal resisting trend line, and currently it's looking for sells. What that has to mean? It means the USD is weak. So the USD based currency is currently looking weak, but I won't say it's weak at the moment. But with the analysis that I'm seeing right now, it shows that we might be having sells on the base currency that is USD based. On the base currency that is USD based, yeah. So we might be having that currently with this analysis that I'm doing right now. We might be experiencing that, but if it ever happens that we do not respect that diagonal resisting trend line, we happen to break above and come to test, that's the time where I'll be looking for the buys in anything that is USD related. For example, where the USD is a base currency, I'll be looking for buys. Where the USD is a code, I'll be looking for then sells. So basically that is what I'm looking for at the time of moment. So as the thing stands, it's highly possible that we might break above this and come back to test and then experience the movement to the upside. So that is what I'm looking at the time and moment. So when a person could ask me what's happening at the time and moment when you're looking at this with other pairs that are USD based, I would say currently anything that is USD related, USD first is currently a buy and USD second is currently a sell. So let's just do that by looking at GBP USD. GBP USD, I'd expect GBP USD to be currently selling. That is what I would expect. When I'm looking at GBP USD, guys, guys, I love the level of confidence. I love to get to the position whereby I'm able to be predicting certain things without even looking at them prior. I love this. For those of you who are new on this channel, you guys would ask if I do what we call the pre-analysis before I start analyzing. I don't. I'm always freestyling. As you can see that sometimes you're gonna hear on the video. It's because it's actually live. I'm actually analyzing the live market at the time and moment, and I do not like always do the predictions or just go analyze before I come into or analyzing with you guys. I always just prefer freestyling on the recording. I prefer it like that way. I feel like it's always much more nicer if I do it like that. I feel like I always also improve more on my trading if I also freestyle live. So at the time and moment, as you can see, we are experiencing a very strong USD. So let's just check Euro USD as well. Euro USD. It should also be giving us the same thing. Yes, 100% it's giving us the exact same thing that GBP USD was offering to us. But let's just see as the week goes, because currently it's a Wednesday today. So on Wednesdays, it's the day of reversals. Let's see if anything different can ever happen, because as you can see, we were selling for quite some time. Let's see if those sells were artificial sells or they were original sells. Let's see if we ever buy from here, or we shall continue with our sells moving down. But I have a belief that NFP will propel what's already currently happening. I don't see NFP changing the movements and the directions of what's currently happening at the market. I see it propelling it to be even further worse than what it is. So XAU USD, obviously would expect it to be selling 100%. XAU USD, the gold spots, you'd expect it to be selling under those conditions that I just recently showed you from the DXY. As you can see, this is a very clear sell. This is a very clear sell, and I don't see any buys coming in anytime soon, unless those small scalps obviously shall forever come in and go out. So I see that beautiful double top there, which just somewhat confirms my sells. Beautiful double top there at the top. So I see us just going further down for quite some time. Moving forward, things like NAS 100, you'd expect it to be skyrocketing. Things like NAS 100, it's at the top. Yes. Let's see how things goes, but it's an NFP week, man. I think you guys would agree with me that nothing is confirmed in the NFP week, man. You can never say you're the best trader in the whole world. NFP will show you flames. It's just gonna do what you never saw. It's always against your strategy, NFP. I don't know why, but as you can see, we are at a very beautiful support, expecting and anticipating for the change of direction to actually give us the beautiful buys there. This is very clean. This is currently very clean. So let's see how it goes. Those of you who are friends with US30, let's see what happens with US30. This is just a forecast before the NFP could take place. Yay, US30, bruh. That's insane. Let me not erase this. That's insane. I see the change of direction being anticipated from this. I see the change of direction happening, and very soon. I see the change of direction happening very soon. I see sells coming from a US30, and that's gonna happen very soon. I see cells being cooked and very beautifully. Guys, if you are trading US30, I'll say sell US30 right now. I see beautiful cells cooking from US30. I see beautiful cells cooking from US30. If you happen to be trading the Wall Street or to be in the Wall Street, let's enjoy the cells. Let's ride the wave. I see the cells coming very soon from US30 and they're gonna drop tremendously. I see cells coming. I see cells coming from US30, and we're gonna do another video next week and see what transpires. But I see cells coming from US30. I don't know what else I didn't give you guys. Euro USD. Let's see what's happening on Euro USD. Oh, I already gave that. Okay, let's just try something different. GBP JPY. Then I'm gonna do, yes, GBP JPY. Hey, the pairs that doesn't have USD, they always look like this, guys. I don't know what's happening here, and I'm not even enjoying looking at this. But I think sooner or later we're gonna start dropping from the look of things. Sooner or later we're gonna start dropping from the look of things on GBP JPY. But I don't like this. I would never trade it. I don't like it. I don't like the way it moves. It just doesn't move the way I would like it to move. I don't like this. I don't like this. Personally, I wouldn't trade it, but because I'm analyzing for you guys and not me, just try to look where whichever side it decides to jump below or it jumps above, it's just gonna continue with that movement for quite some time. The way I'm looking at things right now, whether it jumps below or jumps above, just gonna continue with that for some time. So yeah, so USD JPY, you'd expect it to be skyrocketing. You'd expect it to be skyrocketing because gold is currently selling. So you'd expect this to be skyrocketing. So USD JPY is very nice when you're gonna just hold it for quite some time and not just go in and go out when you're trading it. When the buys are complete, that's where you're gonna expect a different direction from gold. Currently, the buys are still continuing. Other than that, it's Jaguar FX, your mentor, guys. I'm signing out. Thank you.